Hello everyone, I am Ali. You probably don't know me, but I just bought a GoPro and I am doing my first vlog, and I'm with Mary D, and she's Greek, so she's gonna show us around. Look, so we're at, I'll give you the rundown of where we are and what we're doing. I'm just a guy for GoPro from Melbourne, and what I like to do is travel, go fishing, and have a good time. Love the nature and all that sort of stuff. So pop in for the ride. Today I'm in Stevensons Falls. It's located in Victoria in a place called Marysville.
Yeah, the Marysville.
And we're just walking to the top of the waterfall now, so hang around. So this is about a 30-minute hike up from the car park. We've done about maybe 15 minutes of it. It's all uphill, so be prepared for that. And drink some water. Even though you're at the waterfalls, drink some when you get to the top. Definitely do not swim in these waters, because this is the water that they use for the town. So you know, always got to look after the community, and just make sure you follow the rules and the signages and you'll be alright. So alright, let's carry on. We're almost at the top of the falls, so have a gander. I genuinely mean it when I say it. The smell of the rainforest, or anywhere near a waterfall, is so distinctive. But it's a smell that'll leave you in awe, and it is only available when you come out here. So get your ass out here, because this is. Alright, so we made it to the top of Stevensons Falls, and it's a beautiful view. Have a look. And it goes all the way down to the bottom, probably about a K down. But definitely worth it. There's no swimming here, so if you're thinking about swimming up here, it's a big no-no. Like I said earlier, it's a township's water. So yeah, it's township's water, so you want to stay away from here. So go swim somewhere else. If you love nature, what a beautiful place to be. This is one of the nicest places in Victoria to come for a walk, I think, anyways. You know, the drive down here is at 10, and all the little cafes and wineries, 10. Nature, 10. What more do you want? Find yourself some good company and head down here. But even if you don't, I'm massive on doing things on your own, you'll see. So, you know, if you got no one to come down with, come for the drive down by yourself. Come for a walk. Heaps of strangers around, not gonna know who you are. It's a beautiful place. Good for the health. Good for here and here. Careful, because the rocks are slippery. Oh bro, what have we done here, man?